Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of French butter cake, which is lemon madeleines. Madeleines are cute, buttery, shell-shaped tea cakes. For lemon madeleines, we need zest of 1 lemon. Make sure not to scrape the white part of the lemon because that gives bitter taste. The lemon zest is ready now. For the cake, take 2 eggs in a mixing bowl. Beat it using a wire whisk. Add in 80 grams of sugar. I have taken granulated sugar here. Mix it nicely. Now add in 100 grams of melted butter. Measurement of all the ingredients are very important. Now add in the lemon zest. In goes 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Add in 3 drops of vanilla essence. Mix it so that everything combines well. Now sift in 100 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in little less than 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes 3 pinch of salt. Sift the flour and add into the wet ingredient. You can add this flour mix in one go and mix it nicely. Mix the batter gently so that everything combines well. Lemon flavored madeleine batter is ready now. This should be the texture of the batter. Cover the cake batter with a lid and leave it in the refrigerator for 1.5 hours. Well, this cake is quite different from the regular one. Yes, we have to refrigerate the cake batter. I have taken the cake batter out of the refrigerator after 1.5 hours. Mix the cake batter with a spatula. You could see the batter has thickened. Well, madeleines will have little hump, so that can be achieved by refrigerating the cake batter. Mix the cake batter nicely and take it in a piping bag. This is Madeleine baking pan. I bought this baking pan from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can use cupcake mold as well. Grease the baking pan with the melted butter. Dust it with maida or all-purpose flour nicely like this. Give it a tap and remove the excess flour. So the baking pan is ready now. Pipe the cake batter evenly onto the baking mold. You can use spoon as well instead of piping bag. Now bake the cake for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. If you are using cupcake mold means the baking time will take a little longer. These madeleines are baked perfectly. It's so buttery and spongy inside. Cool the madeleine slightly and remove it from the mold. Madeleines are shell-shaped cute butter cakes and you could see little hump on the other side. This is the specialty of the madeleine. Cool the cake completely on a wire rack. With the measurement I have given, you'll be able to make 11 madeleines. We can enjoy this buttery lemon flavored madeleines as such. Or you can dust it with confectioner or icing sugar. Both taste equally good. Look at it friends, this cute shell-shaped French butter cake is ready now. Do try this lemon madeleines and do not forget to share me the feedback. You can share the pictures through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. If you get this little hump means your madeleines are perfect. I'll show the texture of this cake. This is so buttery and goes well with a cup of coffee. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.